Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can uh, add a custom domain on Odoo website. This is very simple and easy. First of all, uh, you have to have two requirements, which is you have to have a website on Odoo which you can create, and you have to have a domain name. For that, after fulfilling these requirements, log into your Odoo and click on this top right corner icon. Then go to my database. From there, you can just click on click on this, and from here you can just go to domain name. From here, if you want to get a new domain, just click on this, and if you have already, then just click on this. If I have already, I will click on this. So I don't have any on my domain name, so I will just add my already existed domain name in this website. So this is that, and click on verify. So to perform the following operation in your domain manager, you have to create a CNAME record www.yourdomain and .com pointing to techserver.udo.com. First of all, you have to create CNAME which point at techserver.udo.com. After that, if you have want to use the next domain, your domain.com, you need to redirect your domain.com to www.your.com. So I have created tutorial for this. You can just simply go there and watch this. After doing all of this, just select I confirm it is done and hit enter. It will connect the domain to your website, or it will add up your custom domain to your website. So this was very easy. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.